Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of RTHD. In this episode, I want to show you guys how to actually use your DJI Osmo Mobile 2 to restore or refill the charge on your cell phone, for example. So stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so we're back and I have the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, which comes with a very large battery. I think it's over 2000 mAh if not mistaken, and I have purposefully actually dropped the battery life on my phone, so I hope that you could see this, but maybe you won't be able to. There's actually 29% remaining. Now I actually record from my phone, so this is an unusual setup for me, so please bear that in mind before disliking. In fact, please like instead, right? Alright, so guys, we have the actual DJI Osmo Mobile 2 and the phone. Okay, so what you will need is obviously a USB cable that can actually connect, the large USB cable. As you can see, that this is the original DJI one that comes with the Osmo Mobile 2, and I'm using this to USB to micro USB. So the first thing you need to know is which port you actually use. There's actually two ports on the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. There is the side port, which I already said in my other videos is used to charge, to go in to power the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. But to the back, which is also sort of like the front, there is this full-size USB port, and this is the port. Hopefully you can see that there. This is the port that we will be jacking into. So we're going to jack this in one time, USB cable, and the micro USB port obviously goes into whichever device that you want to charge. In my case, my Samsung S6 phone. So it's connected there. Now what you will notice is that the phone doesn't actually charge. It doesn't charge just like that. You have to do one more step, which is you actually have to turn on the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 in order for it to start charging. So let's see if we could get that done here now. So now this is an important thing I want to show you guys. When you switch on the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 for the first time, because it doesn't have a camera in, it tries to upright the gimbal, but because the phone is not in, it isn't able to upright the gimbal. So what you will see is an error light, which is the yellow error light. Don't be too alarmed. That's fine. The main thing is it must be on, and as you can see, it's actually charged up to mostly 100% from that. You can see the lights 1, 2, 3. It means that it's charged up to that 100%. Now, as I have done that on the phone side of things, it has already started to charge. Alright guys, so just an update, I was able to get about 1 minute gives about 1% charge on the phone, which is excellent. So the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 is actually charging at a fairly fast rate. I was able to get at least 2 charges from the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. You know, charging straight up to about 90% or 100% on the S6, which I think is fairly decent considering that, look at the size of this. I mean, it's not, when you think about it, the battery here isn't like super large, but yet it's able to do 2 charges, which is pretty good. At least, you know, it gives me the comfort of not having to worry that in the middle of a shot or during the day that I will lose, you know, the ability to record because I don't have a battery. So I would say that the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 does an excellent job, and it's a good buy in terms of being something that is actually like a battery charger, as well as having the ability, the pretty good gimbal, 3-axis gimbal that it is. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, please consider you know, commenting in. Please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell icon. That's how you would be really supporting me, and I have to thank you guys. For those of you who are already supported, thank you so much for supporting, and hopefully we'll have some more cool videos. Let me know if there's anything that you need answering concerning the Osmo Mobile 2 or maybe even the S6. I know it's old technology, but nevertheless, you may have any questions, you may have any, if you have any issues as well too, please let me know and I'll see how I can work it out. So with that being said guys, thank you so much. Stay tuned for another episode coming soon right here on RTHD. Bye.